My name is Kristin Kenneavy, and I am an associate professor of sociology here at Ramapo College. This is my 11th year. One of the things that I do in my classes is that I have an authentic tasks approach. So I teach really practical classes like data analysis, which is often referred to as statistics, and I also teach social research methods and another class called public sociologies, which is kind of like advanced applied research methods. So when I say that I take an authentic tasks approach, it means that when we're in class and we're doing activities, the students are actually doing research. They're not just learning about how to do research. So for instance, in my social research class, every semester, students work in groups and they perform actual interviews with people that they recruit for their study, and they do all the analysis, the qualitative analysis of those interviews, and then they are able to write an entire original journal article style paper as a result of having had that experience. So instead of just reading a chapter about how one does an interview, they actually have to use that in practice. We're really proud of our program and would love for more students to join us.